In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Codeium for specific file types. If you love Codeium's AI help but want to keep it quiet in certain files, like markdown notes or documentation, here's the cleanest way to do it in Visual Studio Code. We'll use language-scoped editor settings that effectively silence autocomplete and related pop-ups for just the file types you choose. Start by opening Settings. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl plus comma. On a Mac, press Command plus comma. You can also open it from the menu by going to File, Preferences, then Settings. This brings up the Standard Settings tab. Next, switch to the JSON view so we can add precise, language-specific rules. In the upper right of the Settings tab, click the Open Settings, JSON icon. This opens your settings.json file, where VS Code stores your user or workspace configuration. Now add a language-specific block that turns off suggestion behavior for the file type you don't want to see AI autocomplete in. For example, to quiet suggestions in Markdown files, add a section named Markdown, and inside it set editor. Quick suggestions to false, editor. Suggest on trigger characters to false, and editor. Hover. Enabled to false. In plain English, that stops inline quick suggestions, prevents pop-ups triggered by characters like a dot, and turns off hover info for that language. Although Codeium doesn't currently offer a one-click universal disable by file type, these editor settings rein in most autocomplete behavior per language, which includes what you typically see from Codeium. If you want to target a different language, just replace Markdown with the correct language identifier, such as JavaScript, Python, or JSON. You can check the current file's language mode in the status bar at the bottom of VS Code. Remember to keep your JSON valid with commas and braces in the right places, then save the file. The change takes effect immediately. For certain features beyond suggestions, like file indexing, Codeium may honor standard ignore files. That means patterns in files like .jitignore can prevent specific paths or file types from being scanned. Support varies by feature and IDE, so double-check the official documentation for the combination you use. That's it. You've tuned VS Code so Codeium keeps helping where you want it and stays out of the way where you don't. Tweak the same pattern for any language to fit your workflow and enjoy a cleaner, more focused editing experience.